Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to my class. In your previous classes, I explained about lesson 1 living and non-living things and lesson 2 animals and their food habits. And today we will go with a new topic. But before going to that topic, I want to ask some questions. Let us give the answer. What you ate in the breakfast? Maybe some are idli, some are puri, and some are dosha, and some are maybe curd rice. Do you know where it came? Do you know? Yes, these all food items came from plants. These all food items came from plants. Today we will discuss about plants. First of all, we want to know about the importance of plants. What is the importance of plants? Plants are useful to us or not? Yes, plants are very useful to us. Plants help in many ways. What are the uses of plants? First of all, plants are giving fresh air to us because we are taking fresh air. And plants are making our surroundings beautiful and clean. And also, plants are taking impure air as the form of carbon dioxide. And plants are giving food, what we are eating. Not only food, and they are giving vegetables, fruits, flowers. Plants are giving food, vegetables, flowers and fruits. And also plants can prepare their own food. The one and only prepare their own food items are called plants only. Plants only prepare their own food with the process of photosynthesis. In after classes we have to learn about that. But in this class what we have to learn? Plants and parts of a plant and functions of a plant parts. This is the picture of a plant. Now let us have to know about the parts of a plant. See here, these parts we call as roots, and this part we call as stem, and this part we call as fruit, and this part we call as leaf, and the last one, this part we call as flowers. Flowers. See, these are the main parts of a plant. The first one, roots, stem, leaf, fruits and flowers. See children, here our body contains so many different organs and organ system. Like that, a plant also contains different parts and each part also done a good job. After that, we have to learn about that. But first of all, I want to show the real picture of a plant. See, this is the real picture of a plant. See, from down onwards, just you observe. This one we called as roots. This one we called as roots. See, above the roots we called as this one stem. And coming to these green colors we called as leaves. And after that, see, these are curves. Flowers. These are called flowers. Like that, some plants also contain this type of fruits also. So, totally a plant contains roots, stem, leaf, flowers and fruits. And these all parts also done a function. And this part also mainly divided into two parts. What is that one? This part we call as root system. This part we called as root system, and this part we called as shoot system. Shoot system. Do you know what is the difference between root system and shoot system? First of all, we have to learn about root system. Roots, see the roots, these only we called as roots. These roots always can below the underground. Okay, and which part we can see above the ground, that part we called as shoot system. This shoot system can always move freely in the air, but coming to the root system always can beneath in the underground. See, totally the plant is divided into two parts, root system and shoot system. Root system is always underground, and what part we can see outside of that earth, that we call as shoot system. See, coming to here. See, this part we called as root system and this part we called as shoot system. Shoot system contains stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Root system can contains only roots. Now we have to know about the functions of the plant parts. Now coming to the first part, roots. These are we called as roots. In these roots, first of all, what these roots can do? First of all, these roots are firmly, they anchor the plants firmly, fixes in the soil. And also they are not only giving support to the plants, but also they are put over the control of soil erosion. What is the meaning of soil erosion, children? See, SOIL, soil, EROSION, soil erosion. What is the meaning of soil erosion? Washing away. Washing away the soil. Washing away of the top layer of the soil. Top layer of the soil is called soil erosion. These roots are help in to put over the control of soil erosion because these roots are firmly fixed to the soil. First of all, this is the main function of the root. What is the main function of root? They anchor the plant firmly fixes to the soil, and also they are not only giving to the support of the plant but also they are put over the soil erosion. Okay, what is meant by soil erosion? Washing away of the top layer of soil we called as soil erosion. And coming to these roots, another one function is they are taking water and minerals. See, if you pour water to the plants, who will take that water? Automatically, the roots can absorb the water. The roots can absorb the water and also they are taking nutrients from the soil. This is the second function of the roots. This is the second function of root. What is the second function of roots? They are taking water and minerals from the soil. And before I told you, plants prepare their own food and these food they will store in their different parts. These roots can store in their different mode of parts. So, what are the root stored food? Root stored food. What are the root stored food? Plants. Plants prepare their own food and they can store in their different parts. First of all, what are the root stored food? What are the root stored food? Say, come on, say the example. In your previous classes only learn. Say, the first one is carrot. First one is carrot. Carrot also stored its food item in its roots. And coming to that, this one we called as beetroot. This one beetroot. This beetroot also can store its food in its roots only. See, once you observe a close look upon this. This is beetroot and this is that root. And like the turnip, radish, these all plants also store their food in its roots. And coming to that, these roots are mainly two types. What are that one? Taproot and fibrous roots. And fibrous roots. See, roots are divided into two types. First one is taproot and second one is fibrous roots. And what is meant by taproot? Here, taproot means in the taproot system, a large tapering main roots growth. In the taproot system, a large tapering main roots grows downwards vertically in the soil. See, once you look upon this soil, this one we call as taproot system. See, this one tapering main root. This one we called as main root. And these which are the small sprout roots we called as lateral roots. In this taproot system, one is main root and second one is lateral roots. Lateral roots. In this taproot system, the main root, the large main root, tapering main root always grows vertically downwards in the soil, and after that some small roots can sprout beside that main root. That roots we called as lateral roots. And see some of the examples of this taproot system: mango, banyan, guava. These all also belongs to the taproot system. And coming to the fibrous root system, in this only name is there fiber. Fiber means fine like structures. Fine thread-like structures. Fine thread-like structures. They seem like fine thread-like structures. This type of root system we called as fibrous root system. And here these roots are like hairy structures. These roots are like hairy structures. See, once you see the example of marigold, see, these are the plants of marigold. Once you observe these roots, in these all roots also like a hairy structures only, and also they look like a bunch of roots. They looks like a bunch of roots, and these all roots also equal in size only. This is the difference between taproot system and fibrous root system. Here see children, once again I want to tell about this root system. Roots are divided into two types. One is taproot and second one is fibrous roots. In this taproot system, the main root, a tapering main root, always grows downwards into the soil, and after small roots are coming beside that main root we called as lateral roots. What are the examples of taproots? I told mango and guava. These are, and some of the examples are contain taproot system. In this one main root and lateral roots also present. And coming to the fibrous root system, these are fine thread-like structures, and these all roots also in same size only, and they look like a bunch of roots, and we have to pluck easily from the garden. And coming to the taproot system, we cannot pluck that garden. So this is the difference between taproot system and fibrous root system. Which plants contain fibrous root system? Example: rice and wheat, maize, and also marigold contains fibrous root system. Children, I hope you all understood about the function of roots. And coming to that, next part is shoot. And already I told you which part we can observe above the ground we called as shoot. And this shoot contains different parts, that is stem. The shoot contains stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. So let us, in this shoot system, we can tell about stem. See, this part, the hard part we called as stem. And what is the importance of stem? It is giving support to the plant. The stem is giving support to the plant. So, stem is the main part in the shoot system. The stem is the main part in the shoot system. This stem provides support. Provides support to the plant. also what this stem is doing? The stem can hold the leaves and also branches. And also the stem is passing the water and minerals to the whole plant, leaves and flowers also. Say come on. The main part of the shoot is stem. The stem is provide support to the plants, and also the stem is passing the water and minerals to the whole plant. And some of the plants can store their food in their stem only. What are the plants? Example, potato. Potato. Potato and sugarcane. And ginger. Do you know ginger? And also turmeric. These all also stem store food only. These all plants can store their food in their stem only. What are the plants? Potato, sugarcane and ginger. Once you observe the potato, it is the edible part. It is in that underground only. It is in the underground. Potato, ginger, turmeric, these all edible parts also lives in underground only. But coming to the sugarcane, we can observe above the ground only. Now I will show the example of ginger. So see this one. This is a ginger. So this ginger, we can see the edible part in that stem only. Edible underground only. We can see the stem and that underground only. Like that, potatoes also we can see in that. Like onions, we have to see in that underground only. And coming to this stem, we can see in different side. See, once you observe the trees, it is too hard and woody. For example, if you observe that mango and also neem, we can see the stem is very strong and woody. That we call as trunk. And coming to this some small plants, the stem is very normal size only. But this plant, see once this one, this is coriander plant. This stem is very soft only. And coming to this money plant and grapevine also, if you observe, it have only weak stems only. They want some support to grow upon the walls. See, the functions of the stem is helping to the plant to stand an upright position, and also it is giving support to the plant, and also it is fully supplying the water and minerals to the whole plant. And some of the plants can store their food in their stem parts only. And coming to that, next part is leaf. So this is the picture of a leaf. See, in that leaf some different parts are there. What are the parts in that? First of all, a leaf contains its petiole. 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 The leaf is which attached to the stem, that part we call as petiole. And coming to the flat portion of this green color area, this flat portion of the leaf is called leaf blade. Leaf blade or lamina. The flat portion of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. And coming to this, from here onwards, one line is there. This one we called as main vein. This one we called as main vein. And these lines are attaching to the main vein. That one we called as side veins. Side veins. So these are the parts of a leaf. A leaf contains different parts, that is petiole, leaf blade or lamina, main vein and side veins. And what is meant by petiole? The leaf which is attached to the stem, that part we called as petiole, and the flat portion of the leaf we called as leaf blade or lamina. And which line is connecting to that? That part we called as main vein, and which lines are attached to that main line is called side veins. These are the parts of a leaf. Now coming to that, we have to see the direct parts of a leaf. See, once you observe this is the picture of a leaf. See here. From this wood called as petiole. This part we called as petiole. With this petiole, the leaf is attached to the stem, and coming to this whole part of the flat portion we called as lamina. And see here, once you observe it, one straight line like structure is there. This part we called as main vein, and sidely some lines also attached to the main vein. These are called side veins. Once just you observe these all leaves are in green color, and also these all leaves also different sizes and different shape. This one is marigold, this one coconut, and this one leaf is guava, and this one papaya. So these all leaves also in different colors and different shapes, but in this one unique quality is there, that is these all leaves are in which color, children? Yes, it is in green color. Why these all leaves are in green color? Do you know the reason? Yes, so one green color pigment is present in these leaves, so that only these all leaves are also in green in color. What is the name of that green color pigment? The green color pigment we called as chlorophyll. What is the spelling of chlorophyll? CHLOROPHYLL, chlorophyll. So with this chlorophyll only the plants in that leaves are contain green in color. And coming to that, what is the function of leaves? What these leaves can do? The plants can prepare their own food. Already previously we discussed about who will prepare that food for the plants. As leaves are preparing food for the whole plant, so that they are called kitchen or food factory of the plants. Who are called the food factory of plants? Yes, leaves. Leaves are we called as kitchen or also food factory of the plants. A leaf contain, what are the leaf contain parts? Petiole, leaf blade or lamina, main vein or side veins. And what is the green color pigment name? Chlorophyll. And what is the main function of the leaf? Leaves can prepare the food for the plant with the help of air, sunlight and water. That process we call as photosynthesis. Photo means sunlight, synthesis means putting together. And these leaves can control the gaseous exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. While they are preparing food, they are releasing oxygen and they are taking carbon dioxide for its food. And also they contain these leaves. Once you observe this leaf backside, come on, small teeny pores are present in these leaves. This one we called as stomata. These stomatas are also we called as the breathing organs of the plants. With these stomatas only the plants can take in air and releasing the carbon dioxide at night time. And also leaves also contain tiny pores, also we called as stomata, and these leaves also send the extra water as the form of transpiration. Excess water they can send out in the atmosphere. That process we called as transpiration. And which plants can store their food in its leaves? Come on, say cabbage, and also come on, say that cabbage and green leaves. What we are using that we called as mint plant. These are the leaf stored food. And coming to that, next part is flower. Next one is a flower. These flowers are mostly brightful part in the plants, and these flowers are blossoms from the buds, and these flowers are in different colors and different size. Let us see once you close look upon that rose flower, lily flower and China rose. These all flowers also different colors and different size and shapes. And what are the flower stored items what we are eating? Cauliflower and broccoli is the flower stored food. And after that, what is the function of flower? It is the mainly function of the flower is it is helps in the reproduction. The flowers are helped in reproduction with the process of pollination. In after your classes you can learn about pollination. And these are the pictures of a fruits. These are the pictures of a fruits. This is the picture of a mango. This is the picture of an apple. See once it is in yellow color and it is in red color. And these fruits are in different sizes and also in different colors. And these fruit, for example, if you open this mango, it contains only one seed. And if you open this apple, it has so many of different 4 or 5 seeds. And coming to that, if you see that watermelon, we can observe so many of seeds. Like that only pomegranate. So each fruits also contain some seeds. And what is the use of seeds? The seeds can help in reproduction. The seeds are playing an important role in reproduction. Sometimes we can eat the seeds like pomegranate seeds, and sometimes we can throw the seeds like example of a mango. Anyway, these seeds need water. When they will take a water and also sunlight, automatically they will give a baby plant. Most plants can grow from the seeds only. Almost all a seed only. It will give birth to the full of a baby plant. See, this is a seed, and when this seed will get full of a water and sunlight, after that automatically this seed can open and also it contain a baby plant and its food. After that, from these cotyledons one baby small root will come, and after that with this small plant will come, and after that it can grows into a baby plant. And each and every plants also will starts with a seed only. So total this process we call as germination of a seed. When the seed can get its air, water and sunlight, automatically a seed can turn into a baby plant. That process we call as a germination of a seed. And what is the importance of plants also I told, because the plants are the primary producers of to all the members, and also the plants are giving wood and furniture to us, and also as well as plants are making the air pure. Children, once again I want to summarize the lesson. First of all, in this class we discussed about the parts of a plant, and after that a plant contains so many different parts. What are the parts? Roots, stem, leaf, flowers and fruits. And what are the functions of a plant? First of all, roots. Roots, what is the function of roots? They anchor the plants and firmly fixed in the soil, and also it absorbs the water and minerals from the soil, and also the roots are storing their food in that roots. Example of that, carrot and radish. And coming to the stem. Stem is giving support to the plant, and it is also helping in the growth of upright, and also it is passing the water and minerals to the whole plant. And coming to the third part is leaf. Leaf we call as kitchen and also food factory of a plant, and it is also helping in the process of transpiration. And cabbage and also mint are leaf stored food. And coming to the next part, and the next are flowers, fruits and seeds. I told flowers help in reproduction, and also fruits contain seeds, and these seeds, when it will get sufficient air, water and sunlight, automatically it will give a new baby plant. Children, I hope you all are understood about this lesson. Now we have to fill up the textbook exercise.